All right, welcome to ProgJuryTV. Today we're going to talk about two free VPN that can help you to solve the internet free of charge while changing your location. The free VPN we're going to talk about right now is the BrowserSec VPN and the other VPN which we call the Windscribe VPN. We're going to start with Windscribe VPN. Of course, this VPN they are free. In case you don't understand, VPN is a virtual private network. Before I continue, my name is Promise Jury. I come to the internet to help all of us get something out of the internet. You maybe want to make money online or you just want to have something done by yourself. You don't want to pay anybody to do it for yourself. I'm here. One thing I do is I try it, and if it works for me, I come here, I get everybody well known. I get everybody taught so that you can become a doer and not just a learner. I mean, maybe sometimes you can teach your friends and family what you have learned. Please do it to subscribe to the channel or share at least to get me some subscribers if I've made value to you. Thank you in advance. So, like I was saying, virtual private network is called VPN. They help to change your location from one place to another online virtually. And just like maybe you want to create a Fiverr account or let me say um, other maybe network, other affiliate programs, and you want to change your location from Nigeria to that country, maybe to US or to UK or Canada, what you do is go to this virtual private network, change your location, and that's all. That's all. That's all. So let's start. But before then, I want to know our location. Let's know our location right now. I want to check from this site called whoair.net, not where.com, not .co, but .net. Whoair.net. Enter the button and we are going to see it loading to tell us our present location. Yes, this is it. You see, you can see the Nigeria flag here. You can see my IP address. You can also see the network. I'm using Airtel network right now. You can see that I'm using Chrome browser. If I forget, always make sure you use Chrome browser, especially in this extension, because we are talking about extension and this is a Chrome extension. It might likely work in other browsers, but for to save time and for clarity, I want to be using Chrome extension. Chrome extension. Please don't mind this place as change US. What I'm talking about right is what happens here that really matters. And here, this your disguise. They say it's 70% moderate security and anonymity remarks. You know, in my tutorials in the future, I'm going to teach you how to set this place to 100%, even though you're using free VPN. Because a free VPN will not really give you that 100%. But if you have 80 or 75, 80 above, you're okay. But sometimes you just need to make it 100%. It shows everything is normal. But in the future, I'll get you taught. Or you can make that, you can state that in the comment section, and that will motivate me to do it sooner. All right, so we have seen that our location is in Nigeria, and now I want to change this location to US or Canada based on short, but I'm going to choose US for this tutorial's sake. So let's go to the first one I talk about, which is Windscribe VPN. Wind, spell wind, there you put scribe. You can see it yourself, Windscribe for Chrome. Click on it. Look at it. I already have it in my this browser, but I just want to get you introduced to it to tell you I'm using it. Windscribe for Chrome. Click on the first one. It said get VPN. And normally it's supposed to tell you say add to Chrome. Like if you see it here right now. The other one I'm talking about right now is what's it? BrowserSec. That BrowserSec. Let's see. Let's just search. These are VPN. Today are the two VPN I'm talking about right now. See BrowserSec. BrowserSec VPN, free for Chrome for Chrome too. Like I was talking about the addition. Look at it. Okay, it's already added. I already added to. Let me just say. Let me just remove it. So you see how to add it. Okay, let's just go back. Let's start again. Okay, you see right now. When you look for the BrowserSec, you're going to see add to Chrome. Click on add to Chrome. It will be checking. Then you say add extension again. Then it will get added. You see, it's loading. It's downloading. Just about 3 MB. And one thing about this BrowserSec browser is the number of users. We have about 4 million users, and we have about 25,000 users that have rated this. 25,000 users have rated this, and they rated it about 4.5. You can see 4.5 out of 5. So it's working very well. Like they said here, I was trying to get some other stuff. Okay. Um, all right. You see it's available for the Android. You can use it in your Android phones. It's working very well. So same thing that applies here is what to apply it to. When you just search for your Chrome, your Winscribe VPN, and click on it, it will add to Chrome. From there, you can now go to your extension. Here, your extension buttons here. You can click extension like I have it here. Look at it. Let me look for it here. Look at the browser here, but I want to start with the Winscribe. Look at the Winscribe here. If you touch it now, it's going to load. I can see several IP for USA. Look at them. All the USA, Canada, China, UK, and just like that, France. So right now, like I said before, we're going to use the USA. Just pick any of them here. Mind you, don't forget that before now we checked our location. Let's check again. Let's reload. Our location is still in the Nigeria location. Let's check. Yes, Nigeria location, see our IP. So now I want to go to let's see the VPN. I already like if you in case you want you need a shortcut. Like when you have added the VPN to your Chrome, you can see this pin button. You can just pin it. You see it here. Anyway, you pin on this extension you pin, you can see them on your browser there on top there. So right now, this is a Winscribe. Touch. Let me click on it. I'll click on it right now. It loads. I'll choose this IP. I need that SC22. Click on this tick line here. Then come and check your location if you are now in the US. Let's reload now. Yes, I know it's changed because this thing has changed. You see USA, USA. You see the browser with the operating system is with the 10, browser 100, Chrome 100. Then my operating system is with the 10. You can see my location. I can see my anonymity about 90%. That's almost 100. It makes sense. And if I want to set that thing, it take me just a little thing, but that will be another tutorial to make it 100. And you come down here, do some works here, and it's up. It's very simple. So right now, I'm looking. My location is now in the US. I can still go to the same thing with the browser. Browser. Let's go to see browser here. But right now, I'm using one VPN, so I have to shut one VPN down first before the other. So the same thing that happens here. You can just go to a Fiverr account and say you want to open a Fiverr account, and before you look, you change your location to Fiverr. So what you want to do, go to Fiverr or Upwork, any of the affiliate program you want to deal with, you join, and when you join, you'll be joining as a US worker or seller. Either UK, US, Canada, China, anyone in the country wants to use, just your email address, up you go. But that's just if you want to use Fiverr. If you want to use Upwork, the same thing. Then that's for Winscribe VPN. Now for the browser, but let's put out the Winscribe because you cannot use two VPN at the same time. It's not going to make sense at all. So if you want to put it out, just come here and click this button and it's off. If you want to confirm if whether it's off, just go to your Huawei again, Huawei.net and refresh. You see your location back to Nigeria in a second. Back to Nigeria. That's it. We are back home. Very fast. So let's go to the browser. Browser, same thing. Just go to the extension button here. Click on the browser, which you already have here. You want to start a connection. Click on Start VPN. Then change your location. Let's maybe you want to change to UK. Even though they are, like they said, they have about 600 plus servers in 42 virtual locations. So it doesn't really make sense. You can see the bar. You can see Germany. You can see, but this ones are premium. Germany is premium. This one means you have to pay for that. But we don't want to pay. We want to go free for now. We are learning. And when you have made money, you can go and pay for it. Or if you want to start paying now, there's no problem. There's no harm paying. It makes you a better person too. So look at the US or UK here. You just click on the US and it said your privacy is protected. And that's how you get yourself into United States as a United States seller. That's it. It's simple. So this two VPN, get them into your PC, and in case sometimes network may just reject some VPN will not work for you, while the network may allow the one to work for you. So this how what I do. I've been using VPN for years, especially this WinScribe. It has been helpful. And what I forgot is that WinScribe they may likely want you to create an account with them because I already have them here, so they just went straight. They might likely want to create an account with them. Just put your email, any email you have, just fixing maybe uh, temp email. You're fixing, just go to the website, temp mail, enter temp mail to give you a temporary email address. Okay, this my location is still on. Let me put it off. Let me put it off. Let's see if it will work. Because sometimes the network may not allow them to work because of something or the other. Okay, look at temp mail. Go to temp mail. .org or .com. There are several ones there. I don't have, let me just go back and see if there's another one that will not allow us to go straight. Okay, see we have one here already. This is our mail. Can you copy this mail? Right click, say copied. Right click on copy, then go to that WinScribe VPN that may be asking you to create an account with them. Look at it there. So when they ask you to create an account, they just put the email, put any username, then you say the service, they will tell you that will send the link. Just come here again and refresh. Once you refresh, you're going to see the email here. Say, I'm waiting for mail because I've not already done that before. But for you that is new, just click on wait for mails. And that's how you're going to work it out. I'm going to leave this link in the description, or you can just copy from here. You don't need to put in the description because it will be in the video. Just rewind the video and get the link there. Thanks for watching. This is ProgJury. We are happy that you are watching the video. And please do it to share this video to friends and family. Do it to subscribe. Please, please subscribe to this channel. We just want to make it 100 subscribers at least. Let's start doing something together. Without you, we are not here. Please just help the community to grow, and we'll be growing together. Thanks for watching. Do it to subscribe, do it to share, and do it to come back again. Thanks for watching once more. Bye.